Hey friend, welcome back to our channel. Have you experienced diabetes and faced the routine of consuming plain water or black coffee daily? Nope, there are always alternative options beyond these choices. Today, we'll explore 7 drinks that naturally lower blood sugar, offering a delicious and diabetic-friendly way to manage your blood sugar levels. Let's steer clear of those sugary beverages like fruit juices and sodas as we embark on a journey to explore these 7 healthier alternatives. Disclaimer: this video is intended solely for educational purposes. We strongly recommend consulting a qualified medical professional for any personal healthcare concerns. Number 1. Black tea. Recent studies have revealed its potential to positively impact blood sugar levels, particularly in individuals with diabetes. The key lies in specific compounds like flavins and catechins present in black tea. These compounds work wonders by enhancing insulin sensitivity and minimizing blood sugar spikes post-meals. Moreover, black tea's rich content of antioxidants aids in shielding cells from oxidative stress. And that's not all. Its anti-inflammatory effects offer an added advantage, which is combating complications often linked to diabetes. You have the option to select black tea varieties such as Assam tea, Ceylon tea, and Darjeeling tea. While more research is needed, incorporating black tea into your diet might just be the smart move you need to improve blood sugar control. Keep in mind that for the best outcomes, refrain from adding sugar to your black tea. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water has been associated with potential effects on blood sugar due to its composition and the presence of bioactive compounds. The mechanism by which lemon water may influence blood sugar levels is multifaceted. First, lemons are a source of soluble fiber, primarily in the form of pectin. Soluble fiber has been shown to slow down the absorption of sugars from the digestive tract, consequently attenuating the postprandial rise in blood glucose levels. Moreover, the citric acid present in lemons may enhance insulin sensitivity in certain individuals. Insulin sensitivity refers to the body's ability to effectively respond to and utilize insulin for glucose uptake, thereby aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Additionally, lemon water's low glycemic index may contribute to its potential to minimize blood sugar spikes. It is important to note that while lemon water may offer mild benefits in blood sugar management, its impact may be more pronounced when incorporated as part of a balanced diet that is mindful of overall carbohydrate intake and lifestyle factors. Number 3. Green smoothies. Green smoothies can contribute to the regulation of blood sugar levels through several mechanisms rooted in their nutritional composition. These beverages, typically composed of leafy greens, fruits, and possibly additional healthful ingredients, offer a balanced blend of nutrients that can positively impact blood sugar management. Leafy greens, which is a prominent component of green smoothies, are rich in dietary fiber and low in carbohydrates. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down the digestion and absorption of sugars from foods, leading to a gradual and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This mitigates the potential for rapid blood sugar spikes, often observed after consuming high carbohydrate meals. The presence of dietary fiber not only aids in glycemic control but also promotes satiety. Satiety can help moderate overall calorie intake and facilitate weight management, which is a vital aspect of diabetes care. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, known as ACV, is believed to have a beneficial impact on blood sugar levels through its main active component, which refer to acetic acid. Acetic acid is a short-chain fatty acid, has been shown to influence carbohydrate metabolism by altering the rate of glucose absorption in the digestive system. When consumed before meals, ACV has the potential to slow down the digestion of complex carbohydrates, resulting in a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This modulation of carbohydrate digestion reduces the postprandial blood sugar spikes that commonly occur after meals. Furthermore, acetic acid is thought to enhance insulin sensitivity in peripheral tissues, thereby improving the body's ability to utilize glucose efficiently. However, while these mechanisms are promising, the specific dosage, timing, and long-term effects of ACV on blood sugar control require further research. Individuals with diabetes or other health conditions should consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating ACV into their dietary regimen. Number 5. Cinnamon infused water. If you're seeking a refreshing twist on diabetes management, look no further than cinnamon-infused water. Cinnamon, derived from the inner bark of cinnamomum trees, contains bioactive compounds, notably cinnamaldehyde, which has demonstrated effects on glucose metabolism. Cinnamaldehyde is believed to enhance insulin sensitivity by activating insulin receptors and facilitating glucose uptake into cells. Moreover, cinnamon may delay the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, thereby mitigating postprandial hyperglycemia. And also, the spice's polyphenolic compounds exert antioxidative properties, counteracting oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to insulin resistance and diabetes-related complications. Number 6. Herbal tea. Herbal teas come in an array of flavors, and they can be delightful allies in blood sugar management. Teas like hibiscus and chamomile have shown potential in reducing blood sugar levels. Certain compounds present in herbal teas, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity allows cells to effectively respond to insulin, which is facilitating glucose uptake and utilization. Secondly, these teas often possess antioxidant properties, which can mitigate oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is implicated in insulin resistance and pancreatic dysfunction, both of which contribute to elevated blood sugar levels in diabetes. Hibiscus tea have been associated with inhibiting the activity of certain digestive enzymes involved in carbohydrate breakdown. This results in a slower absorption of glucose from the digestive tract into the bloodstream, helping to prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Number 7. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which can help slow down carbohydrate digestion and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Moreover, fenugreek seeds contain a class of compounds known as saponins, which are believed to enhance insulin secretion from the pancreas and improve insulin sensitivity in peripheral tissues. An active component in fenugreek, called 4-hydroxy solution, has demonstrated the potential to stimulate insulin receptors and modulate glucose metabolism, which could further contributing to its hypoglycemic effect. Brewing these seeds into a warm and comforting tea can be a soothing addition to your diabetes management routine. And that's the end of the video. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consulting your healthcare provider are essential steps in managing diabetes. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.